Hello there, Humphrey here. Today, we're going to learn how we can blur the background of a video. To do that, we import the video and then drop it into the timeline, okay? Now, let me issue this statement. There is a difference between blurring the whole video, okay, and then blurring just the background of a video. I hope we all know the portrait effect. If you take an image or if you take a photo with your iPhone and you set it to portrait, you see the effect that takes place. This is exactly how it happens in blurring the background of a video. So let's learn. To do this, let's copy this very video. So Ctrl+C to copy and Ctrl+V to paste. Okay, so now we have two. I just drop this onto this and make sure they are properly aligned at the edges here. Right, now let's click on effects, click on video effects, and then click on lens, and then you click and drag this blur onto this. Now that we've blurred this, okay, let's hover our playhead on it. Now you cannot see the blurriness, right? It's because this is overlaying this. So what we can do is we can just click on this particular item to turn this off. So now you can see the blurriness, right? Now it's blurred. Okay, you can enhance it here, or you can decrease its blurriness here. I think this is better here. Good. So now come back and then uncheck this. Good. So now click on the top video. Make sure you are in video here. Okay. And then click on remove background, and now click on auto removal. Right, the processing starts here. Now this process will now depend on how fast your machine is. Okay, so I'm going to pause this video here and then come back when the processing is done. Good. So now that the process is done, you can see that the background is blurred, but the subject person here is unblurred. Okay, let me move the playhead here. Let's play the video and see how this whole part is blurred around here, just like your portrait effect, and the subject itself is not blurred. Let me expand this then so that you can see it properly. Now let's play. If you consider this video very helpful, please click on the like button, subscribe to my channel, and leave a comment. Stay safe. Bye bye.